Hi everyone, how to take screenshots of a virtual machine. So you would want to pay attention to where your focus is, meaning if I've clicked in here and I'm typing in the terminal and I take a screenshot at this point, the screenshot's in my virtual machine. Well, if I click outside of it, so for example, if I click back here, but don't click inside the virtual machine to bring it back up, now my focus is actually out on my computer. So I can do our standard Windows Shift S. Whoops, I got back in the computer again, didn't I? So I'm going to hit the taskbar. There. When I hit the taskbar, I'm outside it. Control Shift S, and there's my little screen snipper. Now I can get just the part I want, and it is on my local machine. I can then paste it. See, it's on my local machine. I can then open up a Word document. Let's open up a Word document. If you have more than one screenshot, depending what class it is, some classes will have a Word document. Control V, there it is. So the secret is having the focus outside. So if I've clicked in here, I can't do anything. I can take a screenshot inside the computer. But if I, hold on, go down, oh, I can't take a screen, I can't do the taskbar. Anyway, if I click the taskbar, all right, now my focus is outside. Windows Shift S, and there's my little snipper. I can get just the part I want. It comes back to my computer. Bring up my document. Paste it in. I'm good. Thank you.